Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Weird. Okay.
Power off.
Hold on, Bob.
Power on. Battery high. Your device is connected.
Okay, let's try this. Now can you hear me? Can you still hear me? Okay. I think you're talking about now. That was weird. I don't know. I've never experienced that part yet. Anyway, what's up, y'all? How is everyone? Sweet. So what's up? What's happening? Yeah, I just wanted to jump on for my regular time, as if I was driving home. My damn dog whining in the background. I'm not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. If I could find this dang screen, Jesus. So what we looking at here? That was weird. Okay, so we're over here. Click. Okay. Why is that not? Hold on one sec. This dang computer. Okay. Oh, there, for some reason, let me try the mouse. My God. Act like I'm a rookie at this. All right, there we go. Now I can move this screen. Let me grab my dog and then we'll take a look. Come here, Bob. Come on. Come on, Bob. Come on. Be nice. Get up here, Mama. My dang dogs. And which stop? Still missing. No, nobody's seen him. Nobody's seen the pup. Yeah, so Bitcoin Weekly. I got so much shit drawn out on this. Weekly candle looking as of right now. I do believe, again, these momentum waves, I want them to get up a little bit, at least even with this. Even still not the greatest sign in my opinion. Hold on, I'm muting this. Do not disturb. There we go. So don't blow your ears out. Yeah, I always start with Bitcoin here. Always start with Bitcoin. You see momentum coming down as price action's going up. That's never really a good sign. You know, you don't see a lot of people talking about it, but with weekly divergence, that could take quite a while to play out, months even. So, nice. Well, enjoy your sleep, Altaf. Enjoy your sleep. Yep, I was off today, Julie. How are you? And decided to jump on some charts. Why not? Why not? Yeah, that little bump up and back down isn't the greatest sign, but if I can, hopefully I don't do nothing wrong here. I am on this, so if I hold this escape button on, okay. All right. I'm just gonna make that the size of that. Bear with me, because when this screen cuts it off for me. So if you look here at the dominant, or not dominance, the gaps. I don't know why that took forever, but you'll see here. Why is this taking forever? I don't know why that's taking ages to do. Anyway, we got a gap right here. 118. So we'll see what happens here at this gap. We will see what happens. I believe this probably will get filled, whether it's today or tomorrow, I guess. Oh God, my internet is the fastest internet out there that they could sell somebody, and it's still acting like a Monday morning, which I guess it kind of is, but it's not morning. So, yeah, I think we come back down to fill that gap, come back, confirm this, and then go up from there, whether or not we get past this. So, what I've been looking at, these are all old lines, just these are all actually, we can get rid of that because we'll be following something different on the way down. Of course, that's a good line. Right there. This one actually can go right here. Bear with me, y'all. 1065 is still a number that David's live stream is also messing up. Huh? What are you doing? Why are you being so mean? Come here. Get up here. Come on. Come on. Bring your treat up here. Come on. Mama, quit being a little. She's got a treat, and she keeps antagonizing the other dog because he don't have no teeth to eat that treat. So he gets something else, but he don't know that. Anyway, yeah. If Bitcoin comes up here and breaks through this here, it could get pretty massive, actually. At least 170 to 180 if it breaks through 125-ish. You know, this line obviously is getting higher in price as time goes on. But yeah, I mean, if you're talking all the highs, we literally hit exactly to the dollar all the highs Bitcoin's ever made. So we get above this, and it could get pretty crazy. Is that going to happen? I don't know. I feel like we're going to walk this line up a little, maybe a little bit more, and then we're going down. I think within this range, December, January, and then we got a hell of a retrace coming. We're we're probably at least going to see 74 again. Then I'd look for 48. I know people don't want to talk those numbers, and it may not ever get down there, but it's not something I rule out. That's for sure. Obviously, my first zone would be 97 if we broke down from this, like the 111 range. But we get above this, and it could get very interesting, in my opinion. Let's see. No, it's not what I wanted. It's what I wanted, but yeah, see, it's even bouncing off the 1618 currently. So the next one would be 187,000. And I do believe that if it gets above this and starts supporting on this, it will. I mean, that's the most likely spot. Bye-bye. Take care. And if not, and I don't know. I really don't know. Nobody knows. Just can do what you do by technical analysis, and because at the end of the day, nobody knows. Nope. No one. Yeah, come down, fill all that imbalance. A little bit down here. I think that gap's right here. So if we come back down and retest the top of this channel, that's going to be filling that gap today. If we do that, and it looks like we're going to continue to come down right now. It looks like VWAP and money flow coming out. That's normally means come down. Now this may trigger out like this did and reverse. Hopefully it'll get down into there and then reverse. If it does that and I see any signs of bullish, like maybe this will come deeper, a little bit deeper, maybe down to this black line, print a little bit of hidden bull, and just go up from there. I think he was on SCC or I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'll let him. I don't know if he was in there or not. He said he missed it the past week. Even though, yeah, I'd bet to say 10 minutes or so he normally comes in. What's it like, 2:30 by the time I get to the store? 2:40? Almost 3 o'clock. So let's see. Tree tour. Where is Mike? Mike's probably over there as well, I'd imagine. None of the indicators are coming up. There they are. Yeah, I'd love to see this come down a little deeper. This wave kind of stay a little small, maybe come down into that black a little bit, but it's already wanting to head up. Be printing a green dot here soon on the 24-minute, which is, I mean, it is a divergence equal higher. Yeah, though before what? Okay. Actually, you know what? I was wondering. Yeah, it don't look too bad. I'm watching myself on the TV over there. Where is my mouse? All right, Brian, you want to look at anything? You see anything, Brian? What you want to look at? You're the only one chatting right now. It says 11 people here. Walrus. Right there. You know what? I will have that real quick. Let's give you all screen. Walrus. Wally World. All right, let's start out on the weekly. See what that looks like. Okay. Not much data. Not much data at all. Touch deeper here with higher momentum waves, so a little bit bullish movement there. Could have played out maybe. Could have played out. A lot of sideways. Yeah, a lot of sideways. But I bet you peak looks just like this. I think peak did this same movement. Nothing really popping out at me. It's like extremely bullish or extremely bearish, but that's the 4 hour, 1 hour. I don't know. This needs some bigger money. Some bigger money. We can go back to that daily and, you know, maybe this has bottomed. Maybe this has bottomed and, you know, you could expect like 62 cents for the next push up. You know, you got to obviously break 49 cents, but this just looks like sideways to me. Mr. Lowry, what's happening, brother? Peak. I know I got you somewhere. There it is. Mr. Valmer. Mr. Valmer. Mr. Lowry, what's happening? Oh, peak looks even dookier. So I can say I still have my peak. I'll probably just hold on to that because it is so down. So what I'm probably going to do at peak is buy some more. Now is the time. Now is the time. If you believe in peak, which I do believe, like this is going to be like a next run type coin. There's really nothing bullish looking about it other than, like the daily money flow coming up, money coming in because, down here, right here, money's coming out, money's coming back in right here. So just because it's red doesn't mean there's no money flow. You got to look at the direction of the movement. But right now is the time to buy peak. It topped at 75 cents. The coin's every bit worth that. I don't know if you know much about peak, but I did do a video on peak. It's a very good coin. Actually, now that I look at it, this is kind of bullish. The RSI movement, RSI getting higher, price action getting consistently lower. So that is bullish. I think it could at least get back up to its, right here somewhere, 50 cents, because I'm pretty sure that's where the 618 is going to land. Perfectly. Right at 50 cents. You look at charts too much when you can spot where the 618 or the 0.5 fib is going to be. Look at that. Right there, I bet you it was the 0.5. Did that with Mantra. Oh, yeah. I forgot I can do this. I forgot I can do that. So somebody needs to comment so it'll show up on the screen. And now I can see it on my TV if I look. Yeah, so buy peak. If you go look at peak and buy peak. But doesn't matter. If you bought, say you bought here and it comes down, it's only smart to buy. Bring that point of turning green. So the way I like to say it, okay, say you bought here and price started coming down and then you bought here, you're just slowly bringing that line down. The more you buy down in here, you come here and say you buy some more, maybe you bring your average down to here. Boom. Buy. I'm not saying throw your whole hundreds of thousands unless you really believe in it. And then you're just buying that average down. And then if it sits here for a while and the more you buy, maybe it never moves from here. But at least in your mind, you had conviction in the coin and you were being smart about it. But now your entry's here, or even say here, and all it takes is that little bit to turn green. And you're green. You're green. I don't know. I mean, that's the whole point of DC. You guys ain't stupid. And then as it's going up, you're doing the opposite. You're selling here. Selling. That's the whole point. I mean, if you're here to make money, if you're not here to make money and you're here to invest in a coin and keep it for 40 years, that's different. Then you're just buying only when it goes down. That's it. But if you're here to make money, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. You don't have to stay in a coin. You just sell when you're green. A lot of people think of crypto as in you have to stay in that coin. You have to be married. You have to, and, I don't know. Poe likes to marry his coins. I mean, Poe got in, I guess, at the top, and he did the right thing. He bought all the way down when I guess Ada and them. But Ada had that little quick run to like $3, so that might have, I don't know if he was still buying then or not. But I'm pretty sure I think he's all long term on them now, and I believe in the profit, unrealized, obviously, like most of us. Yep, he does, because he was buying down at the lows and all that good stuff. Yep. But let me see something real quick. Oh yeah, always know this. You always got to know that. Make sure you know that. All right, that looks decent. It looks decent. I'm chilling today. Just 6 coins. Yeah, I think he is down to 6 now. I think he is. Let's take a look at ETH. ETH. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. ETH looking ripe. ETH's looking right. This ain't accurate, but yeah, it's pretty parallel. Ross, come on. Yeah, she's clearly broken out. Actually, that makes me want to look at something real quick. What's my trade at? Nice. 223% on this ETH long. Do a Bitcoin chart for fun. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's even let's see. For nostalgia. Bang, Bitcoin comes up. That's freaking hilarious. Oh, what's this? Oh, what the hell's the E? What's it like? 0.5 eternity 0? Oh, this ain't. Is this it? I'm on the daily, and this goes back to 16th of 23, actually. I don't even know what the hell this is. Like, I've never seen numbers like that. Yeah, that's such a shame. Goodbye. STX, another coin down. What is this now? What is this? Global liquidity index. Huh? How do I get rid of you? Let me see something. You kidding me? What the hell is this? Why am I? They're over here. Not over here. I don't know what the hell TradingView is doing right now, but I'll just leave it for now. Figure it out later. All right, let's so Bitcoin looking decent. Let's take a look at so look at this USDT dominance chart. Like there's a damn fruit fly in front of me. What do you think is going to happen with this? What do you guys think is going to happen with the USDT dominance? You think it's going to drop out of this? You know, the more people come into crypto, I feel like the more money the higher this is going to go. If you think about it, you know what I mean? Whether they're just more money is going to flow into this. So I don't think this is really much of a scale of, I don't know how to put it. Like, yeah, right now it seems like there's no new money coming into the market. So yeah, you can judge, okay, USDT dominance is going down, which means Bitcoin's probably going up, or crypto markets are probably going up. And you can judge that. But as more money comes in, and like my money sits in USDC just collecting 5% when it's not being used. So, I know that's not a lot, but at least it's getting something. So I feel like more people like in TradFi and stuff will start seeing that and start parking their money in like USDC just to get something on it against being in the bank and losing value every day. Then again, will staking USDC even still be there when the masses come into a digital dollar, whether that be USDC, whatever. I don't know. Really don't know, but I think this is always going to continue to go up. But going up means Bitcoin's coming down as of right now. I don't know. There used to be a USDC NDT chart. No, oh well. And gold. Gold's just chilling. Bounced right off of that box, didn't it? I put that there because of the imbalance right there, and it freaking bounced right off of it. Yeah, this is just like a pennant, a bull pennant that'll probably break out for now. DXY continues. Nobody even really looks at the DXY anymore, do they? I do, but I don't feel like I hear anybody talk about it. I was wondering if I was still alive. Everybody in chat okay? Or is there nobody here? Rand does? Okay. Well, that's good. At least somebody does. The Dixie? Suey. Suey. Where's my data? Jesus. Suey not looking too bad. Just about bounced off that one. Crown and face though? Damn. Okay. Well, good. Nobody I watch. I don't watch anybody anymore, to be fair. I want to trust my analysis. I don't want any swaying one way or another. I don't want nobody telling me, what's up. Yeah. But let's I want to see if there's any news. So if I go over here, right here, see if we got any news up in here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, good old crypto news. Chainlink taps. Chainlink been doing pretty damn well in my wallet. Chainlink taps ICE's market. Ow! I'm sorry, y'all. Damn! Just got pinched by my damn desk. Taps ICE's market data to anchor forex and metals in on-chain finance. Huh. Well, ball price rebound as smart money is buying. Yeah, I like Link too. Well, Bonk's price rebound as smart money buying accelerates. XRP price targets $4.20 as wave 5 pushes gathers pace. As wave 5 pushes gathers pace. Okay. Whatever. Boring. There's nothing here that's that fun. Solana's market cap targets 100 billion. Huh. 100 billion. Damn. Oh, the smoothness of my news thing. What are the 3 meme coins that could overtake SHIB and Doge? Let's see. I'm guessing one's Pepe, Little Pepe. Little Pepe. Pangu, Bonk. So Little Pepe, Bonk, and Pangu. Really? Little Pepe could be the biggest winner. Yeah, I bet you do want that, Brian. Sorry, I'm looking at my stream on the TV. So they're the 3 coins that could outpace SHIB, Doge. Huh. Top story. Zora price surges to 14 cents, over 55%. Zora, didn't you have that one, Brian? Yeah, that was another coin. Coins like that pumped well. If they go down to their bottoms like Peak did, that's the time to buy. But I don't remember what I was going to say. Is that the so Solana's back down to 177? Really? Damn, bro. What the hell? Some bitch. I wasn't even watching Solana. Came up and smackarood right there. That would have been a good short. Ah, I didn't even see that. Damn. Damn. Oh well. Oh well. All set. What's good, brother? What's happening? Yeah, Zora, I don't think I heard of that one. I wonder if it's on here. Zora. Finance chart. Damn. So what is Zora? Hey, Kamari. How are you? Zora. A blockchain social platform that allows users to create, share, and save content of others in the form of NFT by minting in Zora and paying the minting fee to the creator. Huh. Jesse, what's good, man? Interesting. I don't think I've ever heard of Zora. Was it? Let's see. I want to see if it was just put on Coinbase. Did Post stop in yet? Any traders here held their? Oh yeah, I'm still in my ETH long, up about 235%. Yep, I was already in profit and just left it. I'm just checking to see if Zora's on here. Zora. 431 million, 13 cents. Number 138. It is on here, actually. Huh. It's a meme coin, it says. What's up, pal? Po man. Po man. We were just looking at Zora, whatever this coin is. But let's do this. Would you rather look at just save me from work? Let's go here real quick. All right, that should switch over there. Yeah. So Dex Oh, that ain't the top. Never mind. Trending coins. Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Pump, and Zora. These are the top 5 right now. Look at that. Zora. 1,500% in the past 30 days. Damn. Damn. Ding, ding, ding. Damn. Stuck on the phone. Shit, if you bought it 7 days ago, you off 114%. But why? What's the news? What's the deal here? Why? It says Zora hits all-time high as user activity surges on platform. SwarmNode AI, Zora, and what? I see people talking about it, but I wanted to see whatever the deal is with it. I don't know. It's crazy. All right. So you knew about Zora? It's cool. It's sweet. It'll come back down probably to 9 cents again. Just FYI. And there's the dominance Bitcoin. She coming down. She coming down. $58 next. Probably a retrace back up some. Who else in here? 15 eyeballs. Well, 30 eyeballs. I think that's about it. Right. Much else going on. What was that? Banana for scale? Oh my God. I hate all these coins. Banana for scale. Okay. No whistling. Crow's been looking decent. Crow's been looking decent. They're singing. La 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 la. Yeah. So what are you all up to the rest of the day? What's popping? Anything? Crow up 65% in 30 days. $35%. XRP just a coming, ain't it? So Brian seems to think this will get to 1,000, which I don't see why it couldn't. Yeah, I think Solana could pass BNB. Well, good. That means you're healing. If you can get the stitches taken out, it means you're healing. That's good. That's a good thing. Matter of fact, I'd like to see these two come up a bit, because that means money's in the market ready to be deployed. Like, this will never go to zero. So you're not going to see that full 65 billion flushed into Bitcoin, or, you know, whether whoever has the USDC puts it in certain coins, but you're never going to see it go to zero. So where's the damn money? We need the money. I want to see an ADA launch. So do I. So do I. You know, this thing's been down here just chilling. You know, it's not doing great. It's not doing bad. You know what I mean? So this person thinks it's going to break up to 91 cents. I mean, it's one coin that hasn't seen its all-time highs this year or last year. So ADA to me is like, let me see something. Let me go to ADA. God, it's old. Yeah, ADA kind of reminds me of I wonder if I can get that to do that. ADA reminds me of XRP, and it's like 5-year downfall. Yeah, that right there. It just needs to break up a little bit. Yeah, I'd say right there is good. A little bit, and then boom. It'll at least come back to like 250 at that point. 618 is probably about here. Normally there's a spike when it comes down at the 618. And a little bit lower than that. Normally this ends up on the 618 normally. That's why, like, when sometimes when we're coming down and I see it's going to be a deeper retrace, you can actually almost judge the bottom by putting your 618 on that bump there. A lot of charts have it. Just my experience. When island buying? I don't know. It'll be a while before I'm buying an island. I know that. But, oh well. It's only my fault. Oh, it ain't my fault. Yep. That's pretty much all I had today. It's already 3 o'clock. How long I've been on here? Hour. No shopping today. Is Julie on it for, Brian? I meant to ask her. I saw a bunch of them for the future, but I didn't come across the one for today. And whoever's on X watching, thank you. Appreciate you. Yep. Appreciate you. I just started throwing some more shorts out there today. Short videos. $30 more minutes until PM session makes move. Did you just jump down? Damn it. Damn dog. You okay, Bob? Old ass dog jumping down off the couch. You said what? How long? 30 minutes? So we'll go to 36 minutes. Yeah, like I said earlier, I'm hoping for a flush down to retest this channel. I would love to see a retest of that. It'll close the gap damn near to the dollar and then up from there. Whether or not we get that, I don't know. There was on the, was it? No. Or maybe it was the hourly. I was hoping for this to retrace at least down to this black line, this momentum wave, printing some type of hidden bullish div as this did come down into here. That was my hopes. But okay, at least I know the X chat works. Says there's 20 people watching, so right, 15 on X, 5 on here. That's what I figured. K Diggity, what's happening? What's popping, brother? But that's what I was hoping for. Whether or not that happens, who knows? It'll literally fill this right up. Or do we retrace the whole? I mean, that's juicy too, but I at least want to see that. Ayo, Apo. Not much. I've been on for about an hour now. Probably going to jump off soon and get something to eat, I guess. And then watch Julie. Julie's on at 4, so yeah, she's on at 4. How you been, K-Dick? How you been? How you been? Yeah, nothing else really moving much. What is ASST? Asset entities. I did buy a stock, gives decent dividends. Oh, okay, nice. Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well. Oh, Bob, the total. Damn. Bounce right off 4.01 trillion dollars. But that's a nice little area to hold support. If it can hold support here, that's good. It'd be better to hold it above 4, but holding above this, the previous highs is good. Good stuff. Good stuff. How the hell did they forget a stitch? What the hell? Crazy ass doctors. Bob, why'd you jump off? Ah, damn dog. Oh, God. Pull it out. I used to pull my dad's stitches out. He used to let me pull his stitches out whenever he got them. I even pulled his staples out one time. You can pull your own stitches. As long as you're healed, it's healed around that stitch. Pull that sucker out. There's her metal. Hell yeah. Even get them pliers and just wink. Go have a coffee before yeah. Go have a coffee before Jolie. Enjoy your coffee and crumpets. Coffee and crumpets. Later, Brian. Mark can pop round. I'm about to jump off anyway, so no biggie. Take care, Brian. Yep. It's pretty much the day. What's everybody else up to the rest of the day? Anything else exciting going on? Like I said, I'm probably jump in the shower and then eat something and watch Joy. Probably do dishes, because I'm sure there's some in there. Yep. Do 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 do. I think he said he got the rest of the day off. Let me. Maybe tomorrow, Wednesday too. Going at 2 a.m. I'm trying to make some moves. Nice. Yeah. Like I said, I'm still in my ETH long, but I should have jumped in that Bitcoin long. I wanted to jump in, but I didn't. Cashing checks and cracking necks. What are you, a masseuse? You cracking necks and taking checks for it? God damn it, I keep pinching myself. Effie. Damn right. I have a little bit of ETH, but not a lot. Not a lot. Blue Lagoon. Oh shit. Blue Lagoon. That was not bad. All right, y'all. Well, I guess I'll jump off here. Ain't much else going on. I ran through the charts and told you what I think. So we'll see what happens. If we like dump out from here, I don't see that happening. So, but I'll be back tomorrow on my drive. So, K Diggity said, Jesse, this is the last time. Okay? It's the last time. Cashing checks and cracking necks. Get 'em. What did I do? Who's that? Me? What did I do? Oh, you're talking about Jesse. I gotcha. Gotcha. I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. I know you are. I know you are. All right, y'all. I'll chat at you tomorrow. I'll see you on my ride home, per usual. And y'all have a great night. Seriously. Thank you for watching and chilling. But yeah. Blocky out. See y'all. See y'all. Stay tuned for the outro.